Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study. Our today's topic is soil, right? But before we begin, I want you all to subscribe this channel and press bell icon not to miss the next videos. Let's start. So here soil we'll discuss. Soil is loose material found on the earth's surface, right? And soil is made of organic and inorganic particles. Now one by one we will discuss organic and inorganic particles, right? The organic particles, they are derived from dead remains of what? Of plants and animal both, right? Now what happened in the course of time, these articles get decomposed and change into the dark color material called humus, right? Humus, you must know about this. The humus contributes to the fertility of land, right? The fertility of land depends upon humus, right? And it happens rapidly in humid areas, right? In humid areas it happens rapidly. Why? Due to heavy growth of plants and rich animals, right? And humus is low in desert areas. Where is it low? In desert areas, right? Now the question that you have to attempt here is what is soil and what is it made up of, right? So here is the answer in first two lines. Okay, what is soil? Soil is loose material found on earth's surface, right? And then after, what is it made up of? It is made up of organic and inorganic particles, right? I hope it is clear to you. Let's move to the next one. Now here we have next question, from where are the organic particles derived and how do they change into humus? So here it is, right? The organic particles are derived from dead remains of plants and animals. Clear up to here? And then after, and how do they change into humus? So how do they change into humus? These in the course of time, these particles get decomposed and change into dark colored material called humus. So simply you can write, in the course of time these particles get decomposed and change into humus, right? Now next we have, where does humus contribute fertility rapidly to the land? So it is where in humid areas, right? This is answer. In humid areas humus contribute fertility rapidly to the land, right? Let's move to the next slide. Now here we'll discuss about inorganic particles. Okay, inorganic particles, organic particles are derived from rocks, right? Inorganic particles include loose disintegrated particles of different sizes. The large size disintegrated particles are called gravel. Now let me show you how do they look. Here it is. Let me zoom it here. Okay, such these are large particles of rocks. They are known as gravel, while the smaller ones are called sand, okay, silt and clay, right? This is sand and this is clay. This is clay and this is this one is silt. Okay, these are actually, they look the same, but let me tell you, clay is that with which you keep playing in your classrooms, right? And next we have, the mixture of these particles makes make different types of soil as per their portion, right? They are called sandy, where the sand particles are more, that is sandy. Where silt is more, it is loamy. And where clay is more, clay, right? From where are the organic particles derived and what does they include? So here we'll discuss, here we'll answer this question. Let me from where are the organic particles derived? So they are derived from rocks, right? Oh, sorry. And what does they include? They include loose disintegrated particles of different sizes, right? Up to here, from here to here, right? Then after, what are the large sized disintegrated particles called? So they are called gravel, right? I hope up to here clear everything. Let's move to the next slide. Now here we have the formation of soil. How does the soil form? Now it is very slow process. Okay, 1,000 of years it takes to form thin layer of soil, and it is formed by two ways. Okay, in two ways it is formed. One is transported and other one is residual. Transported soil, when weathering process breaks the rocks into particles, into small particles, and they are carried away by wind, water, wind, water, ice, okay, etc. to a new place, then such formed soil is known as transported soil. Here is the pic. Let me make it clear to here. In our previous class we had already discussed about this, but I'm telling you once again. So from here, when suppose water is these are raindrops, suppose it's raining here, so with the rainwater, this from here it will detach, the rock particles will be detached, and then after transported to the newer place and deposited here. Okay, so here when new soil will be formed, it will be known as transported soil. I hope it is clear. Let's see next one. Now here we have residual soil. When weathering process breaks the rocks into smaller particles and they remain present at the same site or place, then it is residual, right? Suppose now here is the example. Let me make it zoom. So here when this from here it is broken, from here it is broken and it remained here, so this is known as residual. Okay, I hope it is clear. And two questions that you have to attempt from here: what is the transported soil and what is residual soil? So they are here, you can easily write from here. Let's move to the next one. Now here we have the soil forming process continues over a long span of time and starts developing layers. Okay, here in the picture you can see one layer, second, third and fourth. Okay, one over other they are formed, and these layers are called horizons, right? Horizons from bottom to top. From here if we talk from here to here if we talk, then first of all here this portion is bedrocks, right? Then after comes weathered rock here, these, and then after comes subsoil. So here subsoil, right? And then after this is topsoil. This portion is topsoil and this is humus. Okay, in this portion it is looking black here. This is the topsoil. Okay, this all portion is topsoil, but it is here humus is rich. Okay, in this portion this portion is rich in humus, right? Now the question that you have to attempt here: what are different layers of soil called? They are called horizons, and name them from top to bottom. Now you have to name them from top to bottom. So first of all here will be topsoil, then after subsoil, then after weathered, then after bedrocks, right? So that's enough for the day. Now the homework: write and learn all the questions, take proper notes and keep testing yourself, okay, how much you understood from this lecture, right? And what for the parents? Parents keep checking the understanding of child, how much they understand from the lecture, and then after check their notebooks and take their test and keep motivating them and give good remarks. This is all for the day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.